Everyone knows that mac and cheese is one of the easiest things to make. All you need is the box, and you're done. Your first step is you open up the box, take out your artificial cheese package, throw it in the trash. Today we are making real macaroni and cheese. The first thing to do is put your pot on the burner and you melt a half a cup of butter. Slowly mix in a half a cup of flour, 4 cups of milk. So there is not an exact amount of cheese that is needed. The key cheese ingredient is cheddar. Now it is time to add the seasonings. A half teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and onion powder. Make sure that you preheat the oven to 350 degrees. To make the breadcrumb topping, you need 2 tablespoons of butter and 3/4 of breadcrumbs. I hope you enjoyed my video on how to make mac and cheese. This is good mac and cheese.